Good morning, students. Today, advanced science lesson acoustics. Already I taken the now we are continue. The topic is reflection of sound. When you speak in the empty room, you hear a soft repetition of your voice. Right? This is the reflection sound waves. Correct. When the sound waves travel in given medium, and streak the surface of the another medium, they can be bounced back into the first medium. It can be bounced back into the first medium. This is known as reflection. Okay, the same like for the light also. The light we are obey to that law of reflection. The same like only applicable to the sound also. Okay, reflection and refraction of the sound actually similar to the reflection of light. So now you see law of reflection. So it is here obey to the 2 points. One is here the incident wave, the normal to the reflection surface, and a reflected wave at the point of the incident lie in the same plane. Okay, wow. So next, the angle of the incident I is equal to the angle of reflection angle R. Okay, wow. So now you see this is the incident, is the original waves, original sound waves. This is the original sound waves. Is a traveling and hit to the wall, and after what happened? Immediately it is a reflected. Okay, wow. So this line reflected waves, this line original waves, that is a incident wave. Okay, wow. So that is 2 part in between that 1 point. It's a 2 waves, it's a merge to the 1 point. That point you have to draw to the perpendicular line. Okay, wow. So this line we are telling to normal. Okay, wow. So the normal to reflected angle of R. So normal to the original waves, that is a incident wave, angle of I. So angle of I and angle of R is a equal value only. Okay. So next you see that the sound waves that travel towards the reflecting surface are called the incident waves. Okay. So which one is here? Reflected. Okay. The sound wave bouncing back from the reflection surface is called to reflected wave. Okay. So next you see that the perpendicular line drawn at the point incident is called the normal. I told the incident ko reflector in between we are drawing to the one line. That line we called to the normal line. Okay. So now you see that reflection at the boundary of the denser medium. Okay, now we are taking the longitudinal waves. The longitudinal waves travel in a medium. In the form of the compression and rarefaction. Okay, wow. So the longitudinal waves traveling one medium. So how to it's a traveling means compression and rarefaction. Compression, rarefaction. Compression, rarefaction. You see this picture. This is a compression. You see that அப்படியே அடர்த்தியாக இருக்குது பார்த்தீங்களா லைன் டார்க் லைன்ஸு நியராக இருக்குது ஓகே திஸ் இஸ் a compression. The line gap இருக்க each line having to the gap, no, this is a we are telling to the rarefaction. Okay, wow. So next you see that it's here going to that the longitudinal waves, that is a incident waves travel from right side to left side to right side. It's a travel longitude, that is incident waves. Longitudinal waves travel to one medium. Which direction is here traveling means right side, left side to right side. This is a left side to right side traveling. Okay, wow. So when it hit that rigid wall, when the longitudinal waves, that is a sound waves, when it's it to that rigid walls, immediately it is a reflected. It is a reflected, right? So the reflector is a which direction means right to left side. Okay, wow. It's a right to left side. So it is a compressed and it is making that frequency is a compressed and rarefaction also. Okay. So next. Next we go to reflection at the boundary of the rare medium. So this is one I am telling to the denser medium. Previous I am telling no, that is a denser medium in the air. In the air. So the longitudinal waves is here traveling in the air. Okay, air medium. So that is we are taking to the denser medium. So rare medium means solid. அதாவது ரேர் மீடியம் இன்பிட்வீன் ரேர் மீடியம் எப்படி நம்ம சொல்லுவோம்னா ஏரும் சாலிடுக்கும் இன்பிட்வீனில் அது ட்ராவல் ஆகும், அதுதான் ரேர் மீடியம் நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். கன்சிடர் த வேவ் ட்ராவலிங் இன் த சாலிட் மீடியம் ஸ்ட்ரிக்கிங் ஆன் த இன்டர்ஃபேஸ் பிட்வீன் த சாலிட் அண்ட் த ஏர். ஓகேவா? ஸோ த கம்ப்ரெஷன் எக்ஸிட் எ ஃபோர்ஸ் எஃப் ஆன் த சர்ஃபேஸ் ஆஃப் த rare medium. As the rare medium has the smaller resistance of for any deformation. So இது வந்து reflection ஆகும்போது deformation ஆகும். So அது வந்து push that way, that sound waves it's pushed again to the back. Okay, as the particle of the rare medium are free to move. Yeah, rare refraction is here produced at the interface. So that times it's here produced to the interface, and rare refractions travel from the rigid, அதாவது rigid body, அது எப்படி travel ஆகுனா right to left side travel ஆகும். ஓகேவா? So next you see that reflection of sound in plane and curved surface. First we see the plane. Okay, the reflection of the sound in the plane mirror. Okay, plane surface. When sound waves are reflected from the plane surface, the reflected waves travel in a direction. இது ஒரு direction travel ஆகும் according to the law of reflection. So இது எதை பேஸ் பண்ணி, இந்த பிரின்சிபலை பேஸ் பண்ணி இட்ஸ் traveling reflected ஆகும்னா it's only for the law of reflection பேஸ் பண்ணி போகும். That principles only applicable the plane mirror. Okay, according to that the intensity of the, so அப்படி வந்து it is a acceptable to that law of refractions போது இதனுடைய density of the reflected waves is either decreasable இருக்கலாம் or increasable இருக்கலாம். Okay, or decreasable or increasable இருக்கும். when the sound இப்போ curved surfaceல எப்படி இருக்கும், but இது வந்து plane mirrorல அதனுடைய density of the reflection wave வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்னா decreasable இருக்கும் increasable இருக்கும். இப்போ curved surfaceல when the sound waves are reflected from the curved surface, the density of the reflected wave is changed. So அதனுடைய reflected wave is here change, அதாவது அதனுடைய density of the reflected wave is changed when reflected from the convex surface. அது convex surface இருந்தா that wave, the reflected waves is here diverged out and the intensity is here decreases. அது வந்து diverged ஆகும், அந்த rays எல்லாமே diverged then it is increasable இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? intensity வந்து decreased இருக்கும். Okay, then when the sound is here reflected from the concave surface இருந்தா the reflected wave are converged. The reflected wave are converged இருக்கும். அதனுடைய focus at the point இருக்கும், அதாவது Fல இருக்கும். அதனுடைய focus point always in the F இருக்கும். Okay, intensity of the reflected waves is concentrated at the point. So parabolic surface are used. So next parabolic surface we have to used. Okay, so when the record the focus the sound at the particular point, hence the many alls are designed with a parabolic reflection surface, right? So nam auditorium, more than auditorium you see that shape is a parabolic இருக்கும், right? So it's a reflecting surface. The parabolic the reflecting surface, it's a correct நமக்கு அந்த sound clear கேட்கும். In elliptical surface, the sound from one focus will always be reflected to the other focus, no matter where it strikes the wall. Okay, so next you see that. Next one you see the echoes. So echo, you know that echo, the empty room you go and speak means immediately the soft sound it's immediately you are hearing, your voice immediately you are hearing. So mountain side, empty rooms, okay, so these எல்லாம் okay, and You see that on echo is a sound reproduced due to the reflection of the original sound. So echo means what? Na? Reproduce the sound. You are speaking means that sound it's a reproduce. That is a bouncing. Okay. Okay, that surface. Wherever we are seeing means bounce ஆக இந்த பிளேஸில் அது வந்து bounce ஆகுனா walls, ceiling, surface of the mountains also. If you shout or clap near a mountain or near a reflecting surface, like a building, you can hear the same sound again. The sound which you hear is called an echo. Right. Next you see the condition necessary for hearing echo. The persistence of the hearing for human ear is 0.1 second. This means that you can hear two sound waves clearly. So 0.1 seconds you are clearly two sound clearly you are hear it. Okay. The time interval between the two sound is at least 0.1 second. The minimum time gap between the original sound and echo must be 0.1 second in between sound gap timing. Above the criterion can be satisfied only when the distance between the source of the sound and the reflecting surface would satisfy the following equation. So velocity we have to find out now, distance traveled by sound divided by time taken. So v equal to 2d. 2d means what? Once you are traveling, another it's a bouncing the same distance. So we have to take to the 2d. Okay, 2d divided by t. So we want find out the distance means d equal to vd by 2. So since the t equal to 0.1 second, so now we know that t order value is 0.1 second divided by 2. We are cancelling means what comes? V by 20. Okay. The minimum distance recorded here, it's a echo, is a 1.20th part of the magnitude of the velocity. The magnitude of velocity is 1.20th. So in the air, if you consider the velocity of the sound as 344 meter by second, the minimum distance required to hear on echo 17.2 meter. Okay, so next application of echo. Some animals communication with the echo other over long distance and also the location object by sending the sound signals and the receiving the echo as reflected from the targets. Okay, then the principle of the echo is used in abstract the ultrasonography, which used to the create real-time visual image of the developing embryo or the fetus in the mother uterus. So baby embryo na வயித்துல இருக்கும்போது குழந்தையோட ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டேஜையும் ஓகேவா அந்த கருவுல இருந்து ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டேஜும் we have to find out the echo. ஓகேவா. So next echo is used to determine the velocity of the sound wave in any medium. The echo application of the echo more than the echo we have to use in the medical lines. Okay, measuring velocity of sound by echo method. Apparatus required. Okay, a source of the sound pulses. Enala apparatus irukku. Sources of the sound pulses. Measuring the tape and sound receiver and a stopwatch also. Okay, now you see. Okay, so now you see that measuring the distance d between the source of sound pulse and the reflecting surface using the measuring tape. The receiver is also placed adjacent to the source. Okay, a sound pulse is emitted by the source. Next, the stopwatch is used to note the time interval between the instant at which the sound pulse is sent and the instant at which the echo is received by the receiver. Note the time interval as t. Repeat at the experiment for the 3 or 4 times. The average time taken for the given number of pulses is calculated. Calculation. How do we are calculated? Okay, the sound Pulse emitted by the source travel a total distance of the 2D. You know the 2D. First traveling at the bounce vara and the same distance. So we have to take unto the 2D. Traveling from the source of the wall and then back to the receiver. The time taken for this has been observed to be t. Hence, the speed of the sound wave is given by speed of sound equal to distance travelled by time taken. 2d divided 2d by t. 2d by t. So, next application. Next application, reflection of sound. Soundboard. These are basically curved surface. These are basically curved surface which are used in auditoria and the halls to improve the quality of the sound. This board is placed such that a speaker is it at the focus, the concave surface. The sound of the speaker is reflected towards the audience, thus improving the quality of the sound heard by the audience. Okay, va? Reflect our ear trumpet. Ear trumpet. You see that ear trumpet. Ear trumpet is a hearing aid which is useful by the people who have the difficulty in hearing. Okay, va? In this device, one end is a wide and the other end is narrow. The sound from the source fall into the wide end and are reflected by its walls into the narrow part of the device. This helps in the concentrating the sound and the sound enters the eardrum with more intensity. This enable a person to hear the sound better. Megaphone. You know that phone. The megaphone is a horn-shaped device used to the address small gathering of the people. It is a one end it's a wide and the other end is a narrow. The same like on the ear trump. Ear trump also the one end is a wide, another one is a narrow. Same like only. When a person speaks at the narrow end, the sound of the speech is concentrated by the multiple reflection from the walls of the tube. Thus, his voice can be heard loudly over a long distance. Okay, children. Thank you.